The city at dawn. The film opens with the city awakening. Skies hang heavy with smog, the skyline blurred in gray. Traffic crawls slowly, horns echo in the chaos, and billboards blaze with advertisements urging endless consumption. The camera slides down narrow streets, drains spilling over with plastic, taps dripping uselessly, and piles of clothes lying forgotten in shopping bags. In the background, the narration whispers, "Our lifestyle is shaping our tomorrow." Signs of excess. The screen lingers on open taps, on lights burning in empty rooms, on factories spitting smoke into the air. The sounds grow heavier, water dripping, engines roaring, power lines buzzing. The voiceover cuts through, unaware choices create invisible damage, but the impact is real. The first drop. Silence falls. A single drop of rain descends in slow motion. As it touches the earth, the smog begins to thin, light pierces through clouds, and the air starts to clear. Rivers ripple with clarity, fields stretch green under the sky, and tall trees sway in fresh wind. Change begins not with giant steps, but with small habits. The symbols of awareness. The visuals shift to subtle details. Solar panels glisten on rooftops, absorbing sunlight. A bicycle rests against a wall, unmoving yet powerful in its presence. A cloth bag hangs gently on a doorknob. Clothes flutter dry under the sun, refusing the machine. Each frame is quiet, yet full of meaning. Every choice is a symbol of awareness. Transformation of waste. A plastic bottle spins into a recycling machine, only to reappear as the pages of a fresh notebook. Leftover food falls into a compost bin, then sprouts as tiny green plants. A switch clicks off, the screen turns dark, and above it, stars bloom in the night sky. The narration deepens. What we discard can become tomorrow's strength. The power of water. Once again, the camera lingers on a single drop falling from a tap. Time slows until that droplet transforms into a thundering waterfall, rivers rushing, and oceans swelling with power. Rooftops now collect rainwater into clean tanks. The voice reminds us, saving one drop is protecting an ocean. A sustainable home. We enter quiet neighborhoods. Green rooftops bloom with gardens. Homes glow with daylight instead of artificial bulbs. Electric buses glide down the streets in silence. The air feels lighter, balanced, calm. A sustainable lifestyle does not take away comfort, it adds balance. Echo across the world. The camera pulls back to show Earth itself, divided into halves. One side cloaked in dark smoke, black oceans lined with oil tankers, skies thick with pollution. The other half glowing with wind turbines, forests, and waves crashing on clear shores. Every action echoes across the world. The future revealed. A city of tomorrow appears. Towering skyscrapers shimmer with vertical gardens. Clean transport glides on tracks, powered by renewable energy. Waste becomes power, water flows endlessly, and greenery breathes between every building. The narration whispers, this future is not a dream, it is a choice. From a single rooftop garden, the camera rises higher. A sustainable neighborhood stretches below, then the entire green city glows, then finally the earth itself rotates in the darkness of space, shining bright and alive. Music swells as words fade in. Lifestyle is awareness, awareness is future.